Same thing on the right side. Well, let's see if we can get the drums and the springs off. Slide the bar, in my case I'm sliding it to my left. Okay, springs are off. So while the drums are off, you can inspect the bearings and put some oil in there. Okay, now I'm sliding the new springs on. I already got the left, then there's a bushing. Right. Okay, new springs are on the rod. Next is the drum. And slide it back into the bushing. Okay, I've slid the new springs on, and next step is to fix the drums back to the rod. I stuck a vice grip here just to hold the bar in place, and we'll line up the marks I made earlier with the drum, and then push the drum against the faceplate so it's touching, and then I'll do the other side. Okay, now I have replaced this cable that slid off before. It's the cable that pulls the garage door up as the drum rotates, and I reattach to the drum. There's a little slot. You have to make sure it follows the track correctly and you don't jam the cable in there. And now I'll just position and tighten the set screws, and we'll be done with the first drum. Okay, we've got the drums set in place, and the vertical bar is anchored with a lockjaw plier so it won't turn. Next step is to attach the cones, the fixed cones, in the center. And remove this lockjaw. Set these in place. Okay, before I start the winding, I want to lock my garage door so it doesn't pop up if I wind up too much tension and surprise me. So I'll put a C-clamp in here. And that'll make sure the door's not going to go up more than a couple inches. Next step is the winding step. So I got my trusty bars. And this is a 7-foot door, and that calls for a wind of 7.5 or 7 3/4 turns. And since we're turning in quarter steps, that would make it 31 steps. Have your wrench ready to tighten the set screws. One, two, three, 4, 5, 17, 18, and I'll rest. Okay, I finished the first spring on the left. I wound it 31 times. Those last 5 or so were really tough. Now we'll do the right side. Also, I removed the vice grip from the pole.